What if I told you that OpenAI just changed the rules for everyone? Today, you get the raw power of their latest language models. Not locked behind a paywall, not limited to the tech elite, but totally open. This is GPT-OSS, and it sets a new bar for what's possible. Imagine world-class AI in your hands, under your full control. Not a watered-down demo, the real deal. With Apache 2.0 license, you own your future. Build, ship, profit, or explore. That's OpenAI's new GPT-OSS. 2 open-weight models, no license headaches, no gatekeepers, just pure intelligence. Here's why it matters. For the first time since GPT-2, OpenAI puts their best work right out in the open. The innovation? Models you can actually run. Not just in a supercomputer lab, but on hardware you own. If you've ever felt boxed out by big tech, this is your moment. Both models are surgically engineered for efficiency. We're talking top-tier performance, but tuned for the real world. Optimized to deploy anywhere. Cloud, edge, laptop. Strong reasoning, massive context, flexible for all. GPT-OSS 120B, 117 billion parameters. The pro athlete of open models. GPT-OSS 20B, 21 billion. Slimmed down for edge devices. Both run 128,000 token context, light years ahead of most open models, both with mixture of experts. So you get more power, fewer resources. GPT-OSS 120B, 36 layers, 80 gigabytes GPU, matched OpenAI O4 Mini in core reasoning. GPT-OSS 20B, 24 layers, runs on 16 gigabytes. Yes, just 16 gigabytes and matches O3 Mini where it counts. The power difference? Nearly none for many use cases. GPT-OSS 120B exceeds O4 Mini on Codeforces and Taubench, matches on MMLU, outperforms on HealthBench. Translation: raw performance, open for all. Transformer with mixture of experts, alternating dense and sparse attention for speed, grouped multi-query attention, 8-way, rotary position embedding. Why we must care? Because these tweaks deliver maximum output for every GPU dollar. Mixture of experts slashes the number of parameters you actually need to run per token. You get specialized computation, lower memory, and wild efficiency. That's big model capability on normal hardware. Pre-training. Massive, carefully filtered data, strong on STEM and code, bad data filtered out. Tokenized for speed. Post-training. Supervised fine-tuning, RL alignment, safety guardrails. Result? Smarter, more helpful, more trustworthy. Chain of thought reasoning built in, full transparency for research. Effort levels. Want lightning fast? Set it to low. Want maximum reasoning? Crank it up to high. You control the depth, speed, and creativity. 120B, 180 gigabytes GPU. 20B, just 16 gigabytes. Runs on a laptop, workstation, even some edge devices. MXPF4 quantization shrinks the memory further. Deploy anywhere. Cloud, on-prem, edge. No excuses. Data filtered for CBRN, deliberate post-training safety, adversarial fine-tuning to probe for risk. 3 independent expert reviews, plus preparedness framework. 500K red teaming challenge to find any issues. Safety isn't tacked on, it's foundational. Apache 2.0 equals commercial use, modify, distribute, build, even patents are covered. Models and tokenizer downloadable, easy integration, extensive API compatibility. Community red teaming, early partners like AI Sweden, Orange, etc. Open innovation for everyone. Devs, startups, industry, government. OpenAI has set a new standard. Top-tier, safe, transparent, and truly accessible AI for the world. So, what are you waiting for? Download GPT-OSS. Join the movement. Build what no one else sees yet. If innovation matters to you, start today. And if you found value here, smash that subscribe and drop a comment. How will you use GPT-OSS?